2000 Mazda Miata MX-5 LS convertible, unique, especially in classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, a little over 68,000 on this one. Classic red in color, as you can see, with the tan interior and tan top as well. 1.8 liter underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic transmission, also nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes. AC blows cold. One little spot, actually a couple, I don't know if you can even see it. There's a little spot where it's touched up, a little touch-up paint on that front fascia. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the factory Mazda wheels. Of course, bucket seats, center console. Now, as far as equipment on this one, it does have power windows, AM/FM cassette, CD, cruise, Bose stereo system, foldable windscreen. So very nicely equipped car. Another thing that you're going to see if you want to take a look at in the still pictures, mentioned Clean Carfax, but you're going to be able to see all of these stickers that were put on the doors, the panels, when it would have been produced new at Mazda. Those are all in the still pictures, so you can see its original panels. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Power antenna is in working order. And we're going to fire it up, let you hear it run. I'll put the top up, check out the condition of that. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. But take your time. There's over 100 pictures of this car online. Take your time looking at it. uniqueclassiccars.com. You can see it from every angle. You can see it's really pretty much free down both sides of nicks, dings, scratches. Yes, I mean, consider the age. It's got a few miles on it. There's imperfections here and there. But overall, you can tell this is a well taken care of car. Door panels. Miata floor mats, nice shape. And then you can see the seats are not full of wear. Yes, you're going to have your natural wrinkling as the seat ages. A little bit of wear on the bolster, but again, considering age and miles, very nice shape. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. Remember, cold AC, and it blows cold. Bose stereo system, cruise control. Automatic transmission, Clean Carfax. There's the exact mile, 68,875. You can see the gauges are working. There's no warning indicator lights, just that seatbelt light, since I do not have the seatbelt on. Top of the dash, tell this car was stored indoors, no doubt about that. Passenger seat, also in very good condition. Stereo's working. Wipers work. So things in working order on this one. Get in the car, turn the key, drive it, have some fun, put the top down, enjoy the nice weather. Power antenna, like I said, working order, and sounds as it should. All right, I'm going to pause this 1 second, and we'll get this hood open. I want to show you the engine bay, and then we'll take a peek at that convertible top. All right, take a look underneath the hood. Another one of the VIN stickers on a panel. .8 liter dual overhead cam engine. Smooth running, power steering, power brakes, and AC once again. Let's go ahead and pause this one last time. I'll shut up the hood, turn it off. We'll get this convertible top up. I want to show you the condition of that. We'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here it is with the top up. Of course, manual top. I folded it up with one hand. Very easily for one person to do. And as you can see, this one, nice shape. Free of rips, tears, holes. Rear glass window with defogger. What you'd expect with a car in this condition. Nice tight fit. Up above the windshield, there it is, some summertime fun. 2000 Mazda Miata MX-5 LS convertible, clean Carfax. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.